Hi folks, Daniel here. After our Christmas special offer video, of course it was quite a stir, there's been lots of inquiries, but lots of people have said, just tell us what's currently available. So we've done you a quick video snapshot. Here's what's available today. I can't promise you that the things on this video will still be available when you come, but give us a call, get in touch if you see one that piques your interest. Speak to you soon.
This is a Paradise Deluxe on a 2020 Renault Traffic frame, and it's 66,595, and this vehicle has an LPG gas interior, and it is in a four-seater configuration with an automatic gearbox. Vehicle has done 6,000 miles. This vehicle is a Paradise Compact, so that is a short wheelbase Renault Traffic, and in this case it's in Panorama Blue, and it has a 5-seat configuration, and the vehicle has done 38,000 miles and is up for 46,995. This is a silver Renault Traffic 5-seater manual gearbox model. It's a brand new conversion from us at 59,995, and we've done this as a Paradise Compact with an LPG interior. As I say, it's a manual gearbox with delivery mileage on a 2021 vehicle.
Hi there, this is a 2011 Vauxhall Vivaro Cassiopeia Silver. It was converted by us a number of years ago. It's done 38,000 miles, Paradise Twin conversion, so named because the kitchen's in the back and it's a long wheelbase vehicle. It's got a 2-litre manual diesel engine, and it's 39,695. This is a 2020 Renault Traffic with a Paradise Deluxe conversion with the kitchen in the back. It's done 6,500 miles. It's got 4 belted seats, automatic transmission with a 2-litre diesel engine, and it is 64,995.
Of course, all the prices you're seeing in this video are the screen prices. Our special offer prices and all the other discounts and bonuses are all on top of this.
And here we have a Panorama Blue short wheelbase Renault Traffic, and this one's been converted with a side kitchen Manhattan Sussex Campervan model. It's a 4-seater option with a manual gearbox. Vehicle has done 17,000 miles and has an LPG interior.
This is a 2010 Vauxhall Vivaro. It's a Manhattan MPV conversion. It's got 5 belted seats. It's done 109,000 miles, and it's 31,995.
And this vehicle is a manual T6 VW-Caledonia. It's one of our conversions in Acapulco Blue. It's a manual gearbox with 5-seat configuration and an LPG interior. Vehicle has done 24,000 miles and is up for sale at 56,995. And this is a VW T6 Caledonia. So we've converted a automatic single seat in the front. So that's 4 belted seats with an LPG interior. This vehicle has done 11,460 miles and is up for 59,995. And here we have the fabled DSG automatic VW Transporter T6. And this vehicle we've converted to a Sussex Campervans Caledonia. It has a 5-seat configuration, an LPG interior. It's done 5,300 miles and is up for 63,995.
Of course, all the prices you're hearing in this video are the screen prices, and all our discounts and special offers are in addition. So this is the prices they are, not the prices they will be when you come to pay for them.
This vehicle is a recent part exchange from one of our existing customers and is a diesel NV200 6-speed manual ULEZ compliant camper car with LPG interior. Vehicle has done 22,300 miles.
This is a manual diesel Nissan NV200 camper car. It's 2013. It's got a 5-speed manual gearbox diesel engine. It's done 64,900 miles. And it's 35,995. This is a Nissan NV200 automatic petrol. It's a 68 plate. It's done 18,300 miles. It's got 4 belted seats and it is 52,995.
We have one electric camper car in the sale and it's £71,000 with delivery mileage, 2021 vehicle, and that's a fully electric camper van with a fully electric interior, and that's up for £71,000. And here we have another Nissan NV200 petrol automatic. This one's ULEZ compliant as well, and it's done 67,000 miles. And it's up for £40,000 with an LPG interior. Vehicle is 2015 registration. This vehicle is a Nissan NV200 petrol automatic. It's a 2018 vehicle with 37,000 miles. We converted this as a brand new vehicle to us, brand new conversion, and it has the electric interior and a double bed with an electric roof. This vehicle is £52,000. And this vehicle is a manual diesel pre-ULEZ compliant NV200, and this one is a solo model with a gas bottle, and it's done princely sum of 37,000 miles, and we've got this one up for 35,995 on 2013 registration.
And that's all, folks. Those are the vehicles that are in stock as of today. Give us a call if there's one you particularly like the look of. If you're interested to know more about the models, click the links in the description for the full video tours of the Paradise, the Manhattan, the camper car and so forth, to know all the things that are included. Look forward to seeing you soon at Sussex Campervans, and don't forget, this special offer does end at midday, 23rd of December. Speak soon.